Namaskar. Supreme value of youth is indescribable and incalculable, and youth is considered the most precious part of one's life, is as said by Swami Vivekananda and as honored by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji. Ministry of Tourism has started a very unique clubs all over India called as the YUVA Tourism Clubs. At Amity Institute of Travel and Tourism, Amity University Mumbai, wherein we focus a lot on youth empowerment and community outreach. We were the first in the western region of India to constitute a YUVA Tourism Club, which constitutes of around 50 to 60 members of Amity Institute of Travel and Tourism. Now, if we talk about the activities what we conduct at YUVA Tourism Club of Amity Institute of Travel and Tourism, we conduct a lot of quiz competition, debate competition, essay competition, poster competition, commemorating national days which are held in India. And apart from that, we also organize cultural programs and activities for the members of YUVA Tourism Club. And if we talk about the most important activity, what we do at our club is we go for community outreach and engagement. What we basically do is we visit various tourism destinations of Maharashtra, wherein we indulge in cleanliness and sensitization drive, wherein the members of YUVA Tourism Club, clean the tourism destination and also spread the message of cleanliness. They also tell the importance of cleanliness to the community as well as the tourists who are visiting the destination, wherein they feel that it is the responsibility of the youth and the responsibility of all the stakeholders of the tourism destination to keep the destination image high so that various tourists visit the destination, which is very, very important.